Alright, welcome back to my channel. So this right here is a Baikal MP-221 in a double rifle. It's 4570. So I bought this gun a couple years ago, and when I went to shoot it, I couldn't get the thing to group. So I took it in my own hands to redo the barrels on it. And you'll see I do have a lot of solder in here still, but I've got to clean it up. And a lot of this, it's not rust, it's just corrosion from the when I pulled the old, they call it a monoblock off the end, and then I made the front sight from a piece of steel, and I'm just gonna be able to clean this up. I put my own ribs on it because I didn't like the ones that screwed in. So this rifle, I'm gonna be doing a video on me shooting it and regulating it, and stay tuned for that. If you've been watching my other videos on the 22 match shooting, I'm doing those as well. So stay tuned for this video on the Baikal MP-221 4570 double rifle. Alright, we'll see you later on the next video.